Hey fashionistas, welcome back to Silent Fashion YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to cut multiple hair bonnet templates in no time using a household item. So the first thing I'm going to do is to spread my fabric on the floor like this. Then I'm going to place this basin on top and just begin to trace the circumference. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll shift the basin and trace it out. I'll continue to repeat this step, guys, until I am able to occupy the entire fabric. Once I am done with tracing out, I'll just go ahead and begin to cut. Okay, this is my favorite method of cutting a hair bonnet template. It is very easy. It saves me a lot of fabric, guys. It also saves me a lot of time and energy, guys. And there you have it. Our bonnet template is looking all cute. As you can see also on the floor, only a few fabric is being wasted, guys. So these are all the pieces of my bonnet template. For sure, this is my favorite method of cutting a hair bonnet template, guys. With all this template now, I am able to sew multiple bonnets in a day for my small business. This method has saved me a lot of energy. It has saved me a lot of stress. It has saved me ton of time. Like I said earlier in the video, you should definitely try this out, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video so far. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also feel free to share this video with someone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.